Hi guys, I am Isa. And today, we're going to be looking at the OR is not functions. Okay, so, yeah, the function, it looks like it's a bit different, but that doesn't matter. Okay, so, we're going to start with OR. So remember the definitions of true and false from the last video. Okay, so first let's start with OR. So, we'll have two arguments, P and Q. So let's say OR, or true and maybe false. So the answer to this should be true. So now we have to break down the OR function. I'm going to use a capital L for lambda. So LP dot LQ P true Q on true and false. Then we're going to end up with something like okay, what's our LP and LQ? It's going to be true, true, false. So now let's run the true function. True function is basically lt dot lf dot t. And we're going to run that on true and false. So it's going to end up being true, false. So then we do lt dot lf dot t on false. But if you want this to work, we're going to need a special if function. So it's supposed to be if or true false. That doesn't go sadly. Okay, so the if function is lambda p with the p dot lambda a dot lambda b pba or true false. So let me just move this a little bit. Okay, so yeah, PBA is basically just going to turn into or true, false. But the thing is, that's when you use the if function, it's going to say PBA, not PAB. So that means we can say or false, true. So we're basically gonna have to rewrite this, sadly. Okay, so the or function, so it's gonna happen to false, true. So P true Q, gonna be false, true, true. False is LT dot LF dot LF. That function on true, true. So it's going to end up being true, true. If you want the true function on true, you'll get true, so it ends up being true. Alright, now let's try the not function. If so let's say not false. So if we say not false, so I have to apply the not function. That's LP, LA, LB. Hey wait, but there's sort of a problem. The not function, it doesn't really work on things like Z's. We're going to have to use something. There have to be 3 arguments. So let's just try with not or false, false. So or false, false will be false. So not that should be true. Alright, now let's try. Okay, so PBA. So here it says PAB. It ends up being PBA. So that means we're going to have to swap this. Okay, so or false false. It's going to end up being or false false still. For the or function lp.lq dot p true q. If we're that on false false, it's going to be false true false. So the false function is t.lf. If those are true false, so I pick the second argument, which is false. So it's going to, it's going to end up being false true. And if we run this again on true, then so if we run this again on true, oh yeah, it's supposed to be dot f. Oh, it's just supposed to be f. Okay, so now we run this function on true. Yeah, it's just gonna be true, which is supposed to be the real answer. Anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.